Hello all. I'm sitting here on this mossy rock at this beautiful quiet beach. And after all the rain and dark days, we have this beautiful light-filled day and in a luminous new year. You know, I think we're all ready for something new and bright this year, and 2026 is going to be that year. So I'm wishing you the best of everything, and make it a year full of light. Make it a year full of magic. Make it a year full of openness to goodness, because we are creatures of light and magic and goodness. So make it the best. With love. Bye.